WEEX just recently launched their own P2P for NG and for Nigerians, and they are currently running a promo. I'm registered for that promo already, and this promo will end. You can see the date here from it to end on the 22nd. And what are the promo? The first one is if you're a new user and you deposit, you get a cashback. If you use a P2P marketplace to make a deposit into your Wix account, you get a cashback. And the first reward here is if you deposit $5, you get $1 back. If you deposit $10, you get $3 back. And if you deposit up to 30 USDT, you get 10 USDT back. That's the cashback you're getting. This is for the first one, and this is just for new users alone. So if you don't have a UX account, if you don't have an account with the exchange, all you just need to do is to use the link I'm going to provide. You can check the description or check out the Telegram for that. I'm going to provide that link for you. So if you deposit up to $30, you get $10. You deposit 10 USDT, you get 3 back. You deposit 5, you get 1 back. That's for the first campaign. So all you just need to do just to click on the buy on the P2P, crypto on P2P and whatever, as long as your account is new account, guys. All right. So you get to do that. You can sign up today, do your verification, and then go to P2P and deposit, and you get that back. So if, for instance, you make a deposit of $30, you get $10 back, and you can withdraw back your money, right? Then the event 2 right here is limited times flash. I think I currently saw that this morning, but this one, the challenge I'm having with this one is I don't know, do any of you here have a bank that can transfer 1 naira? Because if I come here, right, if I come here, you'll see this is a flash sale right now. Okay, this is a flash sale, and it is new user exclusive. So if you are using this platform for the first time, you can actually buy 1 USDT for 2 naira. But the limit here is that you buy 0.5 USDT for 1 naira. All right, you buy 0.5 USDT for 1 naira. If I go ahead and click on the buy option, all right, this dialog box will pop up here. You'll see this will pop up and it says I pay 1 and then I get 1. So if I go ahead and put 1 naira here, I'm going to get 0.5 USDT for that, right? But the challenge here is the maximum. If I try to do 10 for this flash sales, it tells you that the maximum is 1 NGN that you need to purchase. But my challenge here, I don't know who advised Wix to do this. I don't know if there is any bank, because if you scroll down here, this person is using PalmPay or so. You can either do bank transfer and the person's account is PalmPay. But my bank cannot send 1 naira. Okay, my bank cannot send 1 naira. So I don't know if there's any other bank. Those of you who use OP, PalmPay, and the rest, I don't know. If your bank can do 1 naira, please go ahead and buy one naira worth of USDT until you get. I think if you buy up to 100 of, if you buy up to 10 naira, you should get 5 USDT. If you buy up to 100, you will get about 50 USDT. But the limit on this person's account, the limit on this person's account is just let me see. As at the time I saw this, it was 99. So right now is 96. Now that it has reduced to 96, I'm beginning to wonder, is it that some persons can actually transfer 1 naira to this person's account, PalmPay account? So if that works for you, it means that you can buy 0.5 USDT for just 1 naira. All right. And that flash sale is currently on. If you want to, you can take advantage of that. And daily quote is about 100 spot. So once 100 people got that, then that will end. Then event number 3 is for merchants. This is why I'm actually having this live stream with you guys. It's for merchants. I've told you that one of the ways you can make money trading crypto is by becoming a P2P merchant, by becoming a P2P merchant. And right here, guys, you can see some of the rewards that you get. First, you need to complete the merchant verification and then you post an ad. If you do that, you are getting 3 USDT. All right. And if you complete your first order, it's very simple. If you are here, if you are in my community and you get to the level of a merchant and you place your first ad, maybe I'll be your first customer. All I just need to do is to buy USDT from you. Just let me know. We can do that. Buy USDT from you, and once you complete your first order, you get 5 USDT. If you complete both a buy and sell order, we can arrange this thing, all right? You get 8 USDT. And then if you trade up to 2000 USDT on the P2P during the event, 2000, it doesn't mean that you need to do it once. If I buy from you, another person buys from you, you sell, you buy, you sell, and what you transact in a day or at that particular time is up to 2000. Let's say you do 100, another person does 50, another person does 500. If you join all of them together, you get 2000 in volume, and that will give you 10 USDT. So extra rewards for the first 10 missions. Okay, to complete all of the above requirement, they will get additional 5 USDT. It's very simple. You just go ahead and click on the apply right now. Okay, you click on the apply to become a merchant right here, and once you click, the first thing before you become a merchant, now this is what you have access to, right? If you check regular user and then a verified merchant, you see that you have all of this. Okay, public sales ad, to publish your buy ads, everything, then your this one now customer service, right? That the exchange plays priority to those who are merchants, who are verified merchants compared to others, and other additional features that you have access to. You get access here. You can trade up to 100,000 per ad, right? $100,000 per ad, and you can have up to 20 pending orders. It means that 20 orders can come in at the same time, and you have the time to fulfill all of them, right? Those are the benefits you stand to gain as a merchant. This is new. There are no other requirements than to link your SMS, your phone number, right? You see, mine is completed, email verification completed, advanced KYC completed, right? This is online POS, online POS. Right? You do this, you can turn off your ads whenever you are not available, and then turn them on when you are available to start accepting orders. So you just go ahead and click on apply now, and you just need to fill in your details right here. Okay, that upside, you fill in your details, Telegram accounts, and all of that. Then you upload. Let's say upload a screenshot from another P2P platform. That is if you have already. That is if you accept that you're already on another P2P. But if not, just do no, and you accept to the terms and condition, and you go ahead and click on submit. And that is it. You wait for approval. Once you get an email that you have been approved to become a P2P merchant, the next thing is just to go ahead and start posting ads. It's very simple. You come to where it says orders. You just go to the orders option, and you can now post your ad. I think on the phone, on the mobile app, you will see where it say ads. If you click on the ads option, right? If you click on the ad option, you will see the option to post an ad, and the option to post either a buy ad or a sell ad. For the orders right here is just for the ones I've placed already, which I couldn't transfer the 1 naira, so I had to quit that, right? So once you approve, you can now start posting ad up and down, right? If I scroll down here, you see add payment method and the rest. On the phone is actually very simple. You just see the option to post an ad, and to post is a buy ad or a sell ad, and make sure you edit your username. All right, make sure you edit your username so that people can recognize you with that, and then go ahead and click on confirm. Then once you are verified, you will see the badge showing in front of your name, just like you see there's a verified mission right here. This I think these are all verified. You see all these badges. These are all verified missions. This one, if I over it, you see verified missions. Meet the basic verification standard on WEEX. All of these persons are all verified missions. All of them, all verified missions. So go ahead and do that. There are transactions going on every day, right? People are transacting millions and millions of naira every day on P2P. You don't need the whole money in the world. If you have 100,000, go ahead and start. If you have 50,000, go ahead and start. If, for instance, I go to this person right there, look at this. This thing, WEEX just launched this, and this person has done over 1,527 orders already. Just imagine that this person is making just 1 1 2 2 naira or 10 naira per trade. Let's say if you buy 100 USDT from this person, the person makes 10 naira as profit. Just multiply that by this number of orders. All right. And you can see the win rate here. All right. You see the limit. This person is ready to sell from 75,000 up to 950,000. The last time I wanted to transact with this person, it was 700,000. So the person has increased the limit to 950,000. It means that this person has actually been making progress from this, right? This person is from 5,000 to 9,000. So you see that you can start with whatever you have, right? You can from 20,000 to about 1 million, from 50 to about 1.2, from 5,000 to 88,000. You can start with any amount, guys. You can start with any amount and come and compete with someone. Look at them, okay? 1,190 orders, right? This person 300 orders already, 2,000 orders already, okay, 150 orders already, and it goes on. So go ahead and try that. Go ahead and try that, and do the math yourself. Do the math yourself. People are buying and selling on this platform. So I wish you the best. If you want to try it, go ahead. But if you have questions, go ahead and ask your questions, and let's get it clarified here before you go and try. But if your bank can do 1 naira, okay, go and try if you can get up to 10 USDT with just 10 naira. Go and try it. Any question?